This is a quick tutorial on several commonly confused words. The reason that these words are commonly confused is because they're called homophones. They're spelled differently but sound the same. Let's begin. The first set of commonly confused words are your versus your. These should be pretty obvious, but sadly, they are not. Y-O-U-R is possessive, as in your dinner is ready. You own it, it's yours. In this case, your dinner looks like it's a delightful meat, cheese, and veggie platter. Y-O-U''re is a contraction of you and are, as in you are being served for dinner, which means we don't want to know what's on that tray. As the meme says, one leaves you satisfied, the other leaves you dead. You need to know the difference. There versus there versus there are three other ones that should be easy to tell apart. However, they easily become confused. T-H-E-Y''re is the contraction of they and are, just like your. You can remember because it has the apostrophe, which means that some letters have been left out. In this case, the A of are. T-H-E-R-E is a location pronoun and used to reference a place. In this case, it's the table with the food. You can remember because it has the word here in it, as in here is where there is referencing. T-H-E-I-R is a possessive pronoun used to replace the noun that's referring to the object in possession. You can remember because it has the word heir in it, as in the person who gets your stuff when you die. In this case, they possess the lovely bunch of little brunch on this table, as the meme says. One is a person, T-H-E-Y''re. One is a place, T-H-E-R-E. And one is a thing, T-H-E-I-R. Learn the difference. It and its, again, are two other words. It's with an apostrophe and it's without sound the same, but they have vastly different meanings. So, it's with an apostrophe is similar to Y-O-U''re and T-H-E-Y''re. It's a contraction for the words it and is. In this case, it's a filthy animal is a contraction of it is a filthy animal, but it is pretty cute. Unlike nearly every other possessive rule in English, it's, without the apostrophe, does not require an apostrophe to show that it's possessing something. In this case, the filthy little animal possesses the name Bob. That's what its, without the apostrophe, name is. So, for apart versus a part. Again, homophones, but this time they have vastly different meanings. The interesting thing about these homophones is that they are actually complete opposites, not just of each other, but between what the individual word looks like and what it means. Let me explain. So, apart means together or belong, as in you are a part of this class, or a part of me cares. It is two separate words. So even though the phrase physically isn't together as one word, that's what it means, to be together. You can test whether or not to use apart as one word or a part as two words by just using the word part. If the word part makes sense, then you use the two-word version, or you could just use the word part. Apart as one word means to be separate from, which is kind of ironic because it means to be separate from, but the word itself isn't. Make sure that you're using the right form of the word, since it will mean the exact opposite of what you intend if you don't. Our last set of words is affect versus effect. And honestly, adults have problems with this one. So, affect is a verb. It means to cause changes or to influence. In this case, the standing man affected his friend's balance by pushing him into the water. One way you can check if you should be using affect or effect is to replace the word with a verb. For example, if we said, the standing man killed his friend's balance by pushing him, it still makes sense. If the word is still grammatically correct, use affect. Another way to avoid incorrectly using affect versus effect is to use the verb impact instead of affect. Effect is a noun meaning as a result. In this case, the water had a negative effect on the second man. Just replacing the word with a verb trick can help you to determine whether or not you should be using affect or effect. Remember, if a verb doesn't make sense, then you use effect with an E. This has been a quick tutorial on a lot of commonly confused words. Thanks for listening.